Welcome to Grey Goat Hardware. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of our cable railing system. Engineered for durability, style, and safety, this system is the perfect solution for modern architectural designs. Grey Goat Hardware's cable railing system features marine-grade stainless steel cables and hardware for unmatched durability and corrosion resistance. This system combines sleek aesthetics with high tensile strength, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Cables are spaced 3 inches apart to comply with building code regulations, and the system is compatible with wood, metal, or composite posts. With a range of custom finishes, our system seamlessly integrates into any project. To simplify your installation, Grey Goat Hardware offers precision-engineered tools, including the cable cutter and torque tool tensioner. These tools ensure accurate cable cutting and proper tensioning for a professional finish. Before installing the cable rail system, drill holes in your posts. Use GGH drill bits to create precise, evenly spaced holes. For wood posts, ensure the holes are drilled at least 1 1/2 inches deep. Grey Goat Hardware provides 3 versatile options for cable railing installation. Fixed cable end for stainless steel posts for straightforward and durable setups. Fixed cable end for wood posts for strong and secure installations, and adjustable cable end for stainless steel posts for projects requiring precise alignment and flexibility. Each option is designed to deliver a secure and professional-grade finish tailored to your project's needs. To install the fixed cable end on stainless steel posts, follow these steps. Place the rubber washer onto the A terminal and insert it into the pre-drilled hole on the starting post. Add a stud to the cable and secure it into the A terminal using a 3/16" Allen key, leaving it slightly loose for adjustments later. Thread the cable through the middle post and place a rubber washer onto the B terminal. Insert the B terminal into the end post, thread the cable through, and pull to tighten. Trim the cable flush with the B terminal using a metal cable cutter. Place the end cap on the terminal and make final adjustments by tightening the A terminal. For wood posts, follow these steps. Insert the A end fitting into the starting post and secure it with a 3/8" wrench. Trim the cable and insert it into the A terminal, pushing it until it's securely in place. Screw the B terminal into the end post and tighten it using a 3/16" Allen key. Install the tensioner by threading it onto the B terminal until it reaches the end of the thread. Leave a small gap for tightening the cable. Stretch the cable to the top of the tensioner and cut it along the first line using a cable cutter. Insert the cable into the tensioner and tighten it using 2 3/8" wrenches for proper tension. To install the adjustable cable end, follow these steps. Attach the A end fitting on one side and screw in adjustable end fitting into the starting post and secure it with a 3/8" wrench. Trim the tip of the cable and insert it into the A end fitting until it is securely in place. Stretch the cable through the middle post, ensuring the proper angle. Mark and drill the end post as needed. Screw the B terminal into the end post and tighten it with a 3/8" wrench. Install the tensioner by threading it onto the B terminal until it reaches the end of the thread. Cut the cable to the required length and insert it into the tensioner. Tighten the tensioner using 2 3/8" wrenches, ensuring the cable is secure and properly aligned. The cable railing system is perfect for staircases, balconies, and decks. Its sleek, minimalist design enhances open visibility while maintaining safety and durability. Elevate your space with Grey Goat Hardware's cable railing system. Visit gghardware.com to explore more premium products, or contact our sales team to find the perfect solution for your next project.